Okay, so hello guys, my name is Ace and today I am going to be reading the C model of this 31055 set, which is a creator set. Yeah, it is one of the smallest sets I have ever seen, but it is still $10, bro. For size comparison, let me take my unfinished this big. Yeah, I haven't finished it. I am doing it. So this set also cost $10, but look at the size comparison. It has only this much brick. So this set has only around 40 bricks. No, not even 40. It has only around 25 or something. I have lost the box. Okay, but this set has 154 pieces, even being $10. That's the same price of this. Lego, what are you doing? This is so overpriced. This isn't fair. Well, price aside, let me do it. So, bro, the instruction manual is just flipping over. Okay, so I'm going to do it now. Okay, so now take this thing. Bruh, I did it all wrong. If you guys thought I was eating, then you are wrong. I was just chewing on the Lego bricks, so it can come out literally. Well, my teeth are hurting after that, so that was the dumb idea. So I am only in around step 4 of making the back part of my formula car. Well, this does not look like a formula car or a car at all. Bro, what? This is the smallest car. Even this is even smaller than the Porsche. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. It's amazing. Well, I'm only this far and now I need to put this piece here. Now the front part is done. Okay, now let's go to the back part. Yeah, I need to disassemble my Porsche for the. Bro. What the? What? Lol. What? Hey guys, comment down if you also chew Lego bricks. Am I the only one? Guys, am I the only one? See, I cannot get it out with my nails. They will break. So that's why I use my teeth. Okay. Just don't. Okay. Oh! So if you guys are thinking what was I singing? Games I am listening songs. I'm just singing hope. Well. Where the heck is that piece? Catch up! It is hiding down there, bro. Literally. Okay. Wait, where's the back piece? Okay. Yeah, it's winter. Brr. Take this out. Bro, this is it took so much effort to just take this telephone looking piece.